We've got some great fabrics for you. Thursday, let's take a look. Everything today is $14.99 on these fabrics. So look at this. We're going to start with this boucle. It is black. It's a cotton poly. Again, $14.99 for everything, you guys. Love it. The colors are everything. It's probably something you could wear year-round. It's the colors in here, the green, the pinks, the oranges. Lovely. Black background, just gorgeous. Then I love this. This is an embroidered. Again, two-sided. This would be great for the POM to just make kind of like a little coverlet. Might make a tank top that goes with it. Wear it with white jeans. It'd be so cute. Very transitional. Love the little glitter in this. It kind of goes with this, and it also goes with the next one. It's got the green in it. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction, two directions. Sorry, both directions. Love it. Isn't that pretty? Just a lightweight, like you could do like a 196, a cardi wrap. Would be pretty in these, just to kind of top things off and make them look nice, and yet still wear them with jeans. Love this piece of fabric. It's 100% cotton. It's so light. It's so beautiful. It'd be really beautiful for a little blouse. Very, very pretty. Very light. Very holiday on one level and yet year-round on another. I put it with this because this is I love the masculine and feminine with this. It goes together. It is a stretch woven, so it has stretch in one direction. It's like a denim, believe it or not. I mean, it's really woven like a denim. It's 100% viscose, but it's very beautiful. It'd be a great jacket, pair of pants, either one. And I put this with it because I thought this was just amazing. This is a fuzzy. It's a fuzzy, but it's a knit. It has stretch in both directions. I mean, it'd just be so cute as a little. You could do like a Hugo's cardigan, or you could do any knit top and just leave it plain with a pair of pants like that. I thought it was just really cute. It's definitely for fall, but you know, good transition if a little cardigan. And there you have it again. Everything today, $14.99. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.